In this short video, I will cover how to pick the right windshield washer fluid for your Tesla, how to fill the washer reservoir when it's low, and how to inspect and clean the wipers. Plus, I will share some handy tips that might be useful for you as a Tesla owner. Filling the washer reservoir. As a car owner, you're probably familiar with refilling windshield washer fluid. However, with Tesla vehicles, there's always something new to learn. When your washer fluid runs low, you will see an alert on the screen and notification center. But how to choose a good washer fluid for Tesla? You can use any high-quality standard windshield washer fluid. However, if you live in a cold area or during wintertime, it is recommended to use a washer fluid containing antifreeze. Also, you should avoid washer fluids with water repellents or backwash additives, since they can cause streaking, smearing, and even squeaking or other noises. Tesla's windshield washer reservoir can hold approximately 4.5 liters or 1.2 gallons of fluid, so a 1-gallon container is usually sufficient. To refill, first open the hood. You'll find the filler cap in the right side corner. Be sure the area around the cap is free of dust and debris to avoid contaminating the reservoir. Carefully open the cap and fill the reservoir up to just below the filler neck. Remember to leave a bit of fluid in the container for the next step: checking and cleaning wiper blades. It's also a good idea to check and clean your wiper blades occasionally, but Tesla being Tesla, there is always something new to learn. First, unlike most cars, you cannot access the wipers when they are in the rest position. In order to access the wipers, you need to set them to service mode. You can do this by going to the Controls menu, selecting Service, scrolling down, then tapping on Wiper Service Mode. This will move the wipers a little up and make them accessible. In most other cars, you can lift the wiper arms to a more convenient position. However, in Teslas, the wiper arms can only be lifted a short distance from the windshield. Lifting them too high might damage the wiper arm. Next, check the rubber for cracks, splits, or roughness. To clean the blades, one of the best options is to wipe them with a little remaining washer fluid. Use of inappropriate products can cause damage or smears and create glare on the windshield. Changing engine oil. Thank you for watching. I hope this short video was helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share your comments, and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like this. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos about Tesla tips and tricks.